Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map with the Dreame X60. If you're interested in the X60, the link to it will be in the video description. So we're in the Dreame app right here. So we can view all of our Dreame devices. So we want to select the X60, just tap the image to go into the settings. And from here, since we just set this up, you won't have a map created either. You can just hit that center beige button that says Start Fast Mapping. This is how you create your initial map, is right there. Select Start Fast Mapping. So I'm going to go ahead and position this where it needs to be, and then we're going to click that button. All right, our unit's set up. We hit Start Fast Mapping. We have a guide right here showing you to open up all the doors in your house to make sure it maps every room, tidy up everything exactly how you want it, then hit OK. I hear the voice prompt. It's starting to map. Now it's going to go on a mapping run around the house. It'll take anywhere between 5 and 10 minutes depending on how large your room and layout is of your first floor, wherever you have it. Expect somewhere in that time depending on the size of your house. Obviously, the more rooms, the more complex your layout, the longer it's going to take, but it's usually very fast and efficient. All right, I just finished mapping. It took around 5 minutes or so. Here's the next screen that we're at that pops up automatically once it returns to the station. We can choose to skip or adjust now. But looking at our map, there's really nothing we would need to adjust right here. That looks great. So I'm going to select skip. And then we have our Clean Genius settings, map, edit, and display. It's kind of walking us through a little tutorial here. Here's floor plan released. Basically, the system intelligently completes floor plan, making the map neater and cleaner. You can disable this in map display anytime. Honestly, can't really... I guess there's the difference, enabled versus disabled. So it's just cleaning up the map. So that's what it's showing you. I wish I could zoom in here. But basically, if we leave floor plan disabled, you'll see the actual intricacies of our map. And like, it's smart enough, which is cool. It's showing in the disabled section, like that's our staircase and stuff that it can't actually drive down. Basically, I believe it's just a way to tidy and clean the map. Just displays it in like rectangles and squares. Anyways, not a big deal. So there's our map. We're just gonna leave that enabled. That's a cool feature. But very simple and straightforward to populate the map for you. It'll just take a couple of minutes depending on how large your house is. From here, you could adjust it. We declined it, but if you want to adjust it now, right-hand side of the screen, there's a video camera icon. Right above that is a map editing icon. And from here, we have 2 tabs, map editing and map display. So you can choose what you want to show on your map, 2D or 3D viewing. You can rotate your map. But for map editing, rename, backup, restore, delete, adjust the cleaning order. You can add furniture. You can identify low clearance areas. You can add threshold ramps, room partition, no-go zones, and virtual walls. Adjust the floor material, add carpet. You even have a special curtain setting. Let me go to room partition so we can merge, divide, and hide for those that are wondering. But I don't see any expansion options or anything like that either for the X60. But there you go. That's how you create a map with the Dreame X60.